Welcome to the heart of your home, the kitchen. It's more than just a place to cook. It's where we share stories, savor meals, and create memories. In this video, we'll explore how you can beautifully merge style and functionality to transform your kitchen into a cozy, efficient, and stylish space. Let's dive in. First up, the essentials. Choosing the right color palette sets the foundation for your kitchen's vibe. Neutrals like beige, white, and gray create timeless elegance, while bold colors like emerald green or navy blue add a dash of modern flair. Textures matter too. Combine elements like wood, marble, and metal for a layered, sophisticated look. And don't forget lighting. Pendant lights over an island and under-cabinet LED strips can elevate both style and functionality. Say goodbye to clunky cabinets and hello to open shelving. Show off your stylish glassware and dishes while keeping things airy. Storage jars aren't just practical. Ceramic and glass containers add a rustic charm to your shelves. Maximize your wall space with hooks and racks for pots, pans, and utensils. Smart storage equals a clutter-free and stunning kitchen. Accessories are the cherry on top of your kitchen decor. A stunning backsplash can transform your space. Think subway tiles or patterned ceramics. Add life with low-maintenance houseplants like pothos or even fresh herbs. And don't underestimate the power of a vibrant rug or a fun kitchen sign. These little touches make your kitchen uniquely yours. Your dining area deserves attention too. Keep your theme consistent with chairs that match your kitchen's vibe. Use fresh flowers, candles, or a decorative fruit bowl as a centerpiece. Layering table linens, think tablecloths, runners, and napkins, adds depth and elegance to your dining space. When it comes to themes, the sky's the limit. Want a sleek, modern look? Stick to neutral colors and stainless steel. Prefer something cozy? Rustic farmhouse styles with mason jars and wooden finishes are perfect. For a breezy vibe, go coastal with hues of blue and natural textures. And for an urban touch, industrial chic with exposed bricks and vintage lighting is the way to go. Good decor doesn't have to break the bank. Get creative with DIY projects like spice racks or painted cabinets. Upcycle old mason jars into utensil holders and hunt for unique, affordable pieces at thrift stores. Sometimes the best decor is born from imagination. Embrace the seasons with small but impactful changes. Citrus patterns and pastel hues in summer, warm plaid accents in winter, and festive dishware during holidays. These details can breathe new life into your kitchen throughout the year. Organization is the unsung hero of good kitchen decor. Keep countertops clutter-free, create designated zones for prepping, cooking, and dining, and make sure every item has its place. Remember, practicality and style go hand in hand. Your kitchen reflects you, your personality, your style, and your love for home. Whether it's modern chic, rustic charm, or coastal vibes, the right decor can transform your space without burning a hole in your pocket. Now it's your turn. Which of these ideas will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy decorating!